Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you need to share your Google Calendar appointment schedule with others? Here's how to do it in just a few easy steps. First, open Google Calendar on your computer and make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Next, find and click on the appointment schedule event you have already created. You will see the option to share your appointment schedule link. Click on copy link to copy the unique booking link. Now you can share this link with anyone via email, text, or any other messaging platform. When someone clicks on the link, they can choose an available time slot that fits their schedule. If you want to share the link directly with someone specific, you can also invite them by adding their email address under the guest section in the event details. They'll get an email with the link to your available time slots. And that's it. If you have just shared your Google Calendar appointment schedule with others, making it super easy for them to book time with you. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.